Hey guys, EvetteXO here, and I am going to be sharing with you guys something that I have been working on with Morphe. We've teamed up to bring you guys my haul box where you guys are going to be able to get some of my favorite products that I have been loving at the moment. So I'm going to be creating this soft glam look for you guys. You guys already know I love the simplicity of just nice browns and tones and a nude lip. So I want to be able to share with you guys everything that you guys are going to basically be getting into this box and give you guys literally me in a box. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So for the eyeshadow look that we're going to be creating today, I am creating a very just glam smoky eye. It's pretty much my everyday look. The eyeshadow palette is their 18T palette, and it's going to come with all neutral shades. So also in the box, you guys are going to be getting two of my go-to brushes. The M452 brush, it's a blending fluff brush, as well as the M330 brush. It's pretty much the two brushes that I use to create this whole look. So I am going to be going in under my brow bone, and I'm going to be using the shade Full Disclosure, just right under the brow bone to just make sure that all of the transition shades blend in nicely. And for that, I'm using the M166 brush. And then the very first shade that I'm going to be going in with using the M452 brush will be in the Buff. We're also going to want to just pair it up with Oh So Nude on top to just give it a really nice blend. So with this look, we are going to be creating a cut crease, a half cut crease. So I want to be able to create those transitions. So I'm going to go in there with Split It and also just blend it up towards my crease. Now the M330 brush, it does have a fine tip, and we like to use this specific brush just to create that crease and make it really sharp. So then that way when we go in with our concealer, it just looks nice, sharp, and clean. So to cut the crease, we are going to be going in with the M224 brush, and I'm just going to be grabbing some foundation to create that crease. So a little trick that I use for myself, this specific brush is literally the size of my actual lid. So all I'll do is just kind of put it at the tip and just glide it over to the actual size of the brush to create that shape that I want. Or you guys can also just kind of like tap the bottom, look up, and then it'll give you that definition to know exactly where the crease is going to start and finish. And we're just going to use our finger to blend those edges out. So we're going to be going in with Unveiled for the crease. I'm going to be using the M166 brush, and I'm going to pack on as much color as I can to this brush on the front and the back as well. And we are going to just press and pat that down. Really take your time just kind of patting it in because you want it to look as vibrant as possible. Now going back with M330 as well as M452, we're going to be swapping back and forth from these two brushes, and we're going to be going in with the exact same shades that we used earlier, which were In the Buff and Split It. And we're going to start with In the Buff and just buff that in to the edges on the outer V and just blend it towards the crease. So now to finish off the look, we're going to jump into the eyeliner. And in the box as well, we are getting the Beauty Bakery Lollipop Liner. So this liner applies so smoothly that you guys are going to see how easy it's going to be to just glide it on. So I usually like to start with one solid line across my lid, and then I will bring it up and just make a little triangle to connect. I'm just going to pop on my eyelashes and we'll be right back. So we just applied our lashes. Now we're going to go under our waterline, and we are going to start with the first eyeshadow that we used and just apply it right under our eye. The brush that I'm using is the R34 brush. And we're just going to smoke that under the eye. So now going in with Split It and using the M574 brush, we're going to just buff the color right in. I always love to use a really nice nude for my waterline, so I'm actually going to be using the shade Makeup Talk on my waterline as well. And we're just going to highlight with the M322 brush and add a pop of color into the inner tear duct. So another product that's going to be in the box is Ofra Highlight Rodeo Drive, and this has been my go-to highlight for years. So I'm so excited that we actually added it on here. So I'm going to show you guys where I apply my highlight. I usually like to do it on my nose as well as on top of my cheekbones and my cupid's bow. And to complete the look, now we're going to be going with my everyday lip combo. The lip liner that we're going to be using is Makeup Talk, and as well we're going to top it off with Honey. I have been in love with an everyday nude, so you guys are going to see how this is just going to bring this whole look together. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So my Morphe haul box is available now for purchase. It does retail for $55, and if you guys use my coupon code PIZZA, you guys will be able to get 10% off. You guys will be able to pick it up at Morphe.com as well as in store. I'm so excited, guys, and if you guys do pick it up, make sure that you guys tag me, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. I would love to see you guys recreate some looks using my favorite palette. So until next time, love you guys.